Hi guys, Dr. Ashley here. So I have one of my new patients. This is a special one. So recently you guys saw my video with a woman. I adjusted her and she got her taste and smell back after 23 years. Well, this friend, you had nasal surgery, right? And so he hasn't been able to smell, his mom said, in about 15 years.
Roughly, yeah.
And so I'm gonna test him. Okay, smell that. So it's a lot stronger than it was.
It definitely, it's like it's a lot different.
Okay, awesome. And he can even smell coffee now. I think.
It's a lot stronger coffee is what it feels like.
Yeah, and this is a very light smell. So I mean, this is incredible, guys. So he had a deviated septum, had nasal surgery. He hasn't been able to smell in 15 years, and now he can smell. So if you know anyone struggling with these issues, come in and see us. God bless you.